Welcome to Digital Classes on the YouTube channel of Alba Girls College. I am Mrs. Paul and this lecture of mine is for the students of class 12. Children, we are doing a lesson in prose, lesson number 4, The Homecoming by Rabindranath Tagore, and today we will continue in this lesson. So, in the next paragraph, we will just continue from where I had left, children. So in the next paragraph we will see that when Makhan went home to make a complaint to his mother that Pathik has done such and such things to me, let us see what happens next in the lesson. Pathik wiped his face and sat down on the edge of a sunken barge on the river bank and began to chew a piece of grass. What did he do? He just sat down there. He wiped his face because Makhan had been very harsh with him. He had been very he had pushed him, he had scratched his face, so having washed his face, he just sat down there on the edge of the sunken barge on the river. Barge here means a small boat, and he just sat down there and began to chew a piece of grass. A boat came up to the landing and a middle-aged man with grey hair and dark moustaches stepped on the shore. He saw the boy sitting there doing nothing and asked him where the Chakravartis lived. Pathik went on chewing the grass and said over there, but it was quite impossible to tell where he pointed. Now, Pathik was the leader of the band. I have already told you all this. He cleaned his face after this episode was over, that they just pushed the log into the river and the log went down, and along with that Makhan also went down in the river and in the mud because he was sitting and he was not ready to move. So after all this had happened, they had whatever the reaction and whatever the agitation of Makhan was, after that he just wiped and cleansed his face with water and sat down on a boat at the river bank. He had a piece of grass in his mouth and he was chewing it. He was thinking about something. At that moment, a boat landed and there was a middle-aged man who had grey hair and dark moustaches. That man, he got down from the boat. He wanted to meet the Chakravarti family, so he came near to Pathik and asked the residence of the Chakravartis. In fact, he was the brother of Pathik's mother, and this fact was not known to Pathik. So Pathik did not give proper reply and continued chewing the grass because he didn't know who he was, or he was his uncle, because he had never seen him earlier in his life. So Pathik did not give proper reply and continued chewing the grass. This activity shows how naughty he was, how naughty and how unruly, and it is said that he was disobedient, he was lazy, he was arrogant, and he was mischievous. So this proves that he did not show any respect to this elderly person, and he was non-serious in all his actions, and he was also because he had just gone through a fight with his brother, so he might have been thinking about what the mother would do when he would reach home, and he might be thinking about that he would be thrashed by the mother. So those were the things that were in his mind, and he did not bother to answer to the stranger or talk to him much. So it is said that when we read the lesson, we see that he was pointing out to some very vague place, and where he was pointing out, it was very difficult to know. So the stranger asked him again. He swung his hand to and fro on the side of the barge and said, "Go and find out." This was a little rude behavior from his side, and continued to chew the grass as before. So this means that he was not much interested in talking to the stranger, and also because he was disturbed in himself. So this is the explanation of the fifth paragraph of the lesson, children, and we will continue with our lesson. If you have any doubts, you will clear to me and you will post your answers on the WhatsApp group. You have to write the reference to context of this paragraph. The explanation has to be detailed. So if you have any doubts or queries, you can please put up your questions in the comment section, or you can put up your questions in the WhatsApp classroom group. I will soon meet you all. Up till then, keep studying and take care, children.